You can choose to be happy, or you can spend your days in misery, only aspiring for a splendid reality. Life's greatest goal is fulfillment. Once you have tasted the pure sweet of the dessert of life, just the thought of one bitter meal makes your stomach curl. It hasn't graced many lips, just those willing to accept it graciously. I'd rather be happy and dead, knowing that I am satisfied with every aspect of my life. Being negative is unsatisfying. The glass is half empty, your soul is all empty. There is a blissfulness that rides along as you are making the spirited run towards the end, and it refutes the shadow that follows you close behind. Look towards the sun and decide to be inspired rather than blinded.
I think you should be happy because you only have one life and you shouldn't drag yourself through it. You should enjoy the little moments.
You should be happy because you don't know how many days you really have to live your life happily, and you don't want to live the few days that you may have left being upset or mad about something that happened 2 years ago. You want to live your life with purpose and being happy and excited about your life.
Happiness is like an STD. When you love someone, they'll eventually catch it too.
I think you should be happy because when you are happy, you want to work and you want to do things and you actually want to live as opposed to just moping around.
So that you can influence others positively when they're upset.
I think you should be happy because being happy reflects everything you do, and I usually am a very positive person, so I meet tons of negative people and they are just not happy whatsoever, obviously, and they just reflect it in everything they do and who they hang out with, and it ultimately doesn't lead to good. So by choosing to be happy, you're trying to think more positively and make better decisions and just do great things, hopefully.